It's day 9 and I need to feed these birds. Alright, I'm helping my dad feed these birds while he's on a vacation, and this bird here somehow escaped. I have no idea how. I have to catch this bird with my hands and put him in one of these now. I have no idea how I'm gonna do that. I don't know how to catch a bird with bare hands, but let's give it a go. Where the how did this guy get out? How? Okay, come here, birdie. It's okay. You're alright. It's gonna get you. Put you back in. No. Phone down. I got this bird. Okay. No. Okay, where do you go? Okay, you can go in with these guys. Alright, I got him. I got him in there. Caught a bird. Alright, I just hope that he's supposed to be in there. I can't believe I caught a bird with my hand. A bird somehow fell out. A baby.
Did the egg crack?
No, a little baby bird fell out. Right here. I don't know what to do. You would have helped me with this. Do you see that little...
I know! Close the door. Oh my god. You're the worst bird watcher in the world.
I don't know how that bird even got out.
It's okay.
I think that bird's fine. How the hell did that bird get out?
I don't know.
Where does it go to?
I don't know.
How many were there? What should get out of my way? Let me see. I think there was 3 in there. There's no way that bird just... How did it get out?
I don't know.
I don't even remember even... No.
Stop yelling, man. Okay.
Okay.
How many birds were in each one?
Last time I looked, there was 3 here.
Oh my god. One just fell out. You need to call Dad to see if we put it with somebody, will she like pluck it or something, you know?
I think it's gotta be here. Like, I have no idea.
I don't see anybody in there, actually.
Here? You think that person fell out of there?
Maybe. Hey, you guys, do you know whose bird this is?
I think he got out from this hole right here. He's a little tiny guy. And I'm gonna see if I can put something here to block it. I'm gonna put some cardboard here, so that way this little bastard doesn't get out. Alright, I've made this Doritos blockage. I'm pretty sure this damn bird must have fell through this little tiny opening. Try it now, you little sucker. Alright, I'm done feeding the birds. One try to escape, like he was in Mission Impossible or Prison Break, I don't know. And a baby fell. I just hope that baby's fine. I don't know. Alright, you will not believe this. This right here, I can't even hold it up. This right here, winning tickets. I won. $4. Alright, so we're gonna go cash that in. Try again. Somebody's gotta win. I got some scratchy tickets as well. Scratch this one and this one. Now we're gonna see how much we got. We're back at 10. I'm gonna ride this electric bike. Lindsay's got a nice electric bike. Awesome. I've never ridden one of these. This is gonna be awesome. And I'm gonna go ride this electric bike.
Wait a minute. How are you gonna hold a selfie stick and...
I can ride one-handed. You've never ridden one-handed?
Well, you want me to like hold it first? So
Yeah, let me just see how it...
without?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so what's gas again?
There's no gas.
What do you go? You just start pedaling.
It's a sensor. It senses when you pedal.
Oh, okay, so I don't have to give it gas. It'll just know, right?
It'll know. But
Alright.
only when it's on, it's off. So,
Oh, how do you turn it on?
So you push the up button
Oh, okay.
to go higher and higher and higher.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Let me see what happens.
So just feel what it's like normally, and then go a little higher, okay?
Alright, alright. Regular.
And if there's not enough resistance, you can increase the resistance, you know, with your gears.
Okay. Oh, I feel it now. I feel it now.
That magic ghost come behind you
Yeah.
and push you. Are you on high?
Now I'm on high. Ah, this is like really easy.
Yeah, no kidding, right?
You're like hardly doing any work.
I know, it's like effortless, right?
I can go for miles.
Isn't that fun?
It is so nice. This is easy. I've ridden many bikes. I'm on an electric bike. I got my bike. I'm gonna go to the park. All right, so we are at Rock Creek again. And what do you think about Rock Creek?
I think it's scary as hell.
Is there murderers down here, and that's why people don't go down here? Yep. I made a specific vlog saying it's safe down
That's why
here.
we're making a vlog. This is gonna be the last one, so it better be epic.
This is the last vlog before we get killed. Don't come here at night because there's zombies
And
down here. And what?
Werewolves.
And werewolves.